Is Resy app worth trying in 2026? Booking a table at a nice restaurant used to be a total headache. You'd get placed on hold and still end up showing up just to wait. But today, apps like Resy promise to change all that, letting you book a table in seconds, track openings in real time, and even score spots at high-end restaurants that usually feel impossible to get into. So, is the Resy app really worth it in 2026, or is it just another trendy name in the dining world? From the moment you open Resy, the experience feels smooth. The design is sleek and modern, with large visuals, simple icons, and an interface that feels more like a lifestyle app than a restaurant directory. You enter your city, date, and number of guests, and instantly get a curated list of restaurants, from cozy local spots to Michelin-starred experiences. Everything loads fast and the information is presented clearly. One of Resy's biggest strengths is personalization. The app quickly learns your dining habits and starts recommending places based on your preferences. Whether you're into sushi, rooftop views, or intimate wine bars, Resy adjusts to match your style. You can even save favorite restaurants and get alerts when they have new menus or events. But what really sets Resy apart is the Notify feature. If a restaurant is fully booked, you don't have to give up. Just tap Notify, and the app will send you an alert the second someone cancels. It's incredibly useful for popular restaurants that are usually impossible to book. Many users say this single feature alone makes the app worth it. Another strong point is how organized everything feels. You can see your upcoming reservations in one place, modify or cancel them instantly, and add them straight to your calendar. Integration with Apple Wallet and Google Calendar means you'll never forget a dinner again. The app literally reminds you before it's time to head out. The waitlist system is another feature people love. If you're near a restaurant and they're at capacity, you can join the waitlist directly from the app. You'll get a notification when your table is ready, so you can keep exploring nearby instead of standing outside. It's small touches like this that make the app feel truly designed for convenience. When it comes to security, Resy does well too. It uses encrypted payment processing, and you can log in with Face or Fingerprint ID. Sensitive information like your card details isn't stored locally, which is a good sign for data protection. Now, let's talk about the restaurant quality. Resy is known for working with some of the best places around, high-end dining spots, chef-led restaurants, and trendy openings that food lovers are always talking about. In cities like New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and London, it's one of the main app's top restaurants used to manage reservations. That gives it an edge over apps like OpenTable or Yelp, which can feel more generic. Of course, it's not perfect. In smaller towns, coverage is still limited, and sometimes confirmation messages can take a bit longer during peak hours. But compared to older booking systems, Resy is faster, more polished, and far more user-friendly. The overall experience feels premium. Everything, from browsing menus to managing reservations, happens smoothly. You can tell the developers focused on simplicity, speed, and aesthetics. It's not cluttered with ads or confusing options. It just works. So, what's the verdict? If you enjoy dining out and want an app that makes the process effortless, Resy is absolutely worth it. It's modern, intuitive, and built to save time. The Notify and waitlist features alone are game changers, and its partnerships with top restaurants make it stand out in a crowded market. For food lovers in big cities, this app is a must-have. It keeps you connected to the dining scene, helps you plan nights out easily, and even surprises you with new places you wouldn't have found otherwise. In short, Resy delivers exactly what it promises: fast, secure, and smart reservations with a touch of exclusivity. It's more than just a booking tool. It's a gateway to better dining experiences. If this review helped you, don't forget to share the video or leave a comment. Every view helps more people discover apps that are actually worth their time and money. Until next time, eat well, stay curious, and enjoy every meal.